Good afternoon, doctor. This is Shivshankar from Dr. Reddy's. We firmly believe that good health can't wait. Doctor, our commitment to deliver world-class quality product has helped us to connect globally with our presence in more than 20 countries. Doctor, we are Dr. Reddy's. We have adapted best-in-class quality manufacturing policies such as the ICH guideline-based QBD manufacturing approach, in vitro, in vivo modeling for quality testing, and best-in-class cold chain storage and its distribution system. Doctor, as per recent study published in Human Vaccine and Immunotherapeutics, up to 85% of children below 2 years and babies up to ages 1 to 5 year was 50% were found to be susceptible to HIV, and we believe that every Indian child needs hepatitis A vaccination. Doctor, it is our 50 years legacy that has been still continues, and where more than 5 million babies lives has been protected, and counting is still going on with our world-class vaccine BioVac A. Doctor, BioVac A comes with single dose advantage. Only single dose of BioVac A has a potential to provide near lifelong protection as compared to 2 pricks of inactivated or killed vaccine. Doctor, in actual clinical scenario, even after 17 years, post single dose of live vaccine, GMT or antibody titers increases 83-fold in anti-HIV negative group. Doctor, as per shown in the graph, if antibody titers go below required level in some years, like in anti-HIV negative group, you can observe an 83-fold increases in anti-HIV antibody titers. Similarly, sir, as you are aware, BioVac A is the live vaccine. It is only vaccine, doctor, which has been extensively work on Indian children. This is the only vaccine which has published Indian data. We have 5 years of multicentric study where GMT level found as 127 MIU per ml, which has been 6-fold higher than the minimal protective GMT level, and minimal is 20 MIU per ml as per recommended by WHO in position paper 2012. Similarly, doctor, we have 10 years of unicentric study. The study has been published in KM Hospital, Pune, where GMT level found is 100 MIU per ml, which has been 5-fold higher than the minimal protective GMT level, and minimal is 20 MIU per ml as per recommended by WHO, position paper 2012. Dr. BioVac A is the only live vaccine, thereby it offers both types of responses, humoral and cellular immunity, which leads to longer and better immunity against HIV. So this combination made 1 prick of BioVac is sufficient as compared to 2 pricks of killed vaccine.